Here's the question then. Let's have a look at it. Now tan 2x first of all, and let's do the double angle formula here. Let's move this out of the way. Now if I forget about the double angle formula, to help me remember, I could just remember sine 2 theta is 2 sine cosine theta. Okay, and cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cosine squared theta minus 1, for example. Okay, so tan theta then, so 1 over the other, if I was trying to remember it, would be, and I'm going to sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta, and I'll divide by cos squared both times. So that would give me 2 tan theta on top. And I'll divide, and it would be 2 minus sec squared. And sec squared, tan squared plus sec squared, tan squared plus 1. Remember sine squared plus cos squared equals 1, so 1 tan squared plus 1 is sec squared. So this would be tan squared plus 1. So that'd be 1 minus tan squared in the end. So you can work it out from that, is what I'm saying. If ever you forget. 1 minus tan squared theta, and you can write it down straight away. Okay, so that's just a little aid to just quickly scribbling down the formula if you forget. So then 2 tan x then is equal to over 1 minus tan squared x, and cot is 1 over tan. So that tells us then, let's just move the tan up here, 2 tan squared is equal to 3 1 minus tan squared. So that's a minus 3 tan squared there, isn't it? So that can come over here to be 5 tan squared is equal to 3. So tan x is equal to 0.6. So tan x then is equal to the square root of 0.6, or tan x is equal to minus the square root of 0.6. So let's look at those two between x is 0 to 180. CAST. Tan is positive here and here. Here's alpha. So tan alpha then, drop the negative if there is one to drop. So therefore alpha is equal to, so let's get the calculator. We're in degrees mode, so it's shift tan the square root of 0.6. 37.76. So theta then will equal, it's 0 to 180, it's just the 37.76 degrees. So that was the first one. Now we'll do the next one. Draw a circle. CAST. Tan is negative, positive here and here, so negative there and there. 2 lines. Alpha. Tan alpha then, drop the negative, is the square root of 0.6. So alpha will equal 37.76 degrees. So theta is equal to 180 back 37.76 then, isn't it? Here. 142.24 degrees. So there's our values for theta in the range from 0 to 180. Now 2 solutions. That was part A. Now let's move on to part B. Okay, we got this. Express this as that. So 21 sine theta minus 20 cosine theta is equal to R sine A cosine B minus R cos A sine be, so that tells us that the cos r sine alpha is equal to r sine alpha is the number of cosines 20, and r cosine alpha is equal to 21. So tan alpha then will be that one over that one, 20 over 21. And r will equal the square root of these two things squared, isn't it? This squared plus 21 squared. So alpha is equal to shift tan 20 over 21, tan 20 divided by 21 equals 43.60, 43.60 degrees. And r is equal to, so the square root of 20 squared plus 21 squared, 29. Okay, good. So that's that. Find the greatest value of this then. So I'm going to call this I. So part 2. Here, save me writing out again. I is equal to 1 over r sine theta minus alpha, 29 sine theta minus alpha is what's underneath, but that would be just these two things plus the 31. Okay, that's good. Find the greatest value. Is greatest when the denominator is smallest, and it's smallest when this is minus 1. Okay. What value of theta have we got there then? So CAST, sine is negative here and here. So mark off the alpha dashed, we'll call it. Sine alpha dashed then is equal to, drop the negative. So alpha dashed is equal to 90. Shift sine. So we've got 270 degrees. So sine theta minus alpha. So theta minus alpha then must equal 270 degrees. Theta minus alpha is equal to 270 degrees plus 360 n degrees. N is equal to 0, 1 plus minus. Okay, so theta then must equal, add alpha, which is 43.6, 313.60, 43.6 degrees plus 360n. And so on. Now, let's have a look at the question to see what it asked us for which is just one value. So theta is equal to 313.60 will be a suitable value, won't it? So let's go back and check the solutions. Question 3. 37.76. Oh dear. Part A, 37.76. Let's get back to part A. Oh, we're okay. Here it is here. Or 142.24. Yep, R was 29. 313.6, which is what we had also for the value. Okay.